HyperJar Invest app. The pros, the cons. HyperJar Invest is an app that combines budgeting with investing, but is it really worth using? Starting with the pros first. Goal-based investing. HyperJar lets you allocate money towards specific goals, making it easier to plan and track progress. For example, you can save for a vacation or a new gadget while simultaneously investing. Second, simple interface. The app is user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to start investing without feeling overwhelmed by complicated charts or options. Third, integration with spending. HyperJar links directly to your bank account, helping you manage money and investments in one place. Now, the cons. One drawback is limited investment options. The app primarily offers a small selection of funds and ETFs, which may not suit investors looking for broader diversification. Another limitation is fees. While the app is convenient, platform and fund fees can reduce net returns, especially for smaller portfolios. The surprising truth? HyperJar Invest works best for beginners who want a simple way to combine saving and investing, but serious investors may quickly outgrow its limited offerings. In conclusion, the pros: goal-based investing, a simple interface, and seamless integration with spending make HyperJar a great entry-level tool. The cons: limited investment choice and fees mean experienced investors may need more robust platforms.